Tired of reading long documents, manuals, or research papers? What if AI could read and explain them for you in seconds? Well, it can, and it's free. In this video, I'll show you how to use a powerful AI tool that can read and break down any document, books, PDFs, contracts, assignments, and answer your questions instantly. It's like ChatGPT, but for documents. Today, we'll explore tools like Humata AI and PDF.ai with document upload. First up, use PDF.ai, super simple and super accurate. Just upload and ask it anything. It's perfect for students, researchers, and busy professionals. Bonus tip, use it for legal docs, resumes, study guides, or research papers. Next, Humata AI. Upload any PDF and just ask it questions like you're chatting with it. No more scanning through 30 pages. 1. Summarize this document. 2. What's the main argument in section 3? 3. List key data points or facts. Now, if you want flexibility and deeper analysis, try Claude AI. You can drop a document and ask complex questions like, compare sections 2 and 5 or give me a summary with bullet points. Pro tip, Claude is great for longer conversations and academic-style questions. You can use these tools for reading long PDF ebooks, researching topics, studying reports, breaking down contracts, preparing assignments. So, whether it's Humata, PDF.ai, or Claude, you now have an AI assistant that reads and explains anything for you. Try it today and save hours. Like this video? Hit like, drop a comment if you tried one of these tools, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden AI gems.